Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we are going to take a look at the Operation Slither TryHackMe room. So yes, let's begin. The first task is about the leader. We got access to a hacker forum and found the info of a company on sale. All the info we have is in this post. Find any information related to the leader of the sneaky wiper group. So these are the informations that we have, like full user database, trade telecomy on sale. As part of our Operation Slither, we have been hiding for weeks in their network and have now started to exfiltrate information. This is just the beginning. We'll be releasing more data soon. Stay tuned. And this is said by this particular name. We have a reconnaissance guide. This room is basically focusing on reconnaissance. Yes, we are going to gather information that is available online. Begin with the provided username and perform a broad search across common social platforms. Correlate discovered profiles to confirm ownership and authenticity. Review interactions, posts, and replies for potential leads. So our first task, aside from Twitter or X, what other platform is used by this username? Yeah, we have to find the same username in multiple platforms. For that, you can use the OSINT framework. If you don't use it, then it's time to use, guys. Yeah, it's about reconnaissance. You have to use the OSINT framework. There's a plenty of tools available in the OSINT framework for learning about reconnaissance. It's about gathering information. So in this case, we are just gathering a username. Okay, we have the username search engines. These are the search engines available. So in this case, I'm just using the ID crawl username search. So here in this particular website, I'm just going to paste the username and click the search. And now you can see the same username was available on Instagram, Twitter, which you can call as X now, right? And Threads. These are the three websites which was able to find the same username, right? Let me check if everything is working. Yeah, okay. Uh, Apart from Twitter or X, what other platform? It supports Instagram, right? Let's try with Instagram. But that is not what they meant for. And other than Instagram, we have the Threads, right? Yeah, let's enter for Threads. Yes, that is what they meant for. What is the value of the flag? We just need to find the value of the flag, and we have the guide here, right? Correlate discovered profiles to confirm ownership and authenticity. If you get a profile, you have to go inside it. So here is the Threads account. So inside the Threads account, it's about some lazy day, the username, and just upgraded my workstation. And lol, people are going crazy with the hard animation. Is this better than Twitter? Seems cooler. So these are the commands that posted by this particular user. We can just check for the replays. And here you can see I really can't get over this one. And we were able to get some hash formats. Let's try this with the cyberchef, which is a great platform. Oh my god, let us open the cyberchef. Okay, here is our cyberchef. So in this, I'm just pasting this hash, and I can use the analyze hash module if it was able to find anything. Unfortunately, it doesn't be able to find the hash table. Let's start with the basic base 64. So yeah, let's search for from base. From base 64, and here it is. We were able to get the flag, right? What is the value of the flag? We were able to get the flag. Okay, so we are moving to task 2, and this is about the sidekick. And in this, you can see a second message has been made public. Our account in their forum was deleted, so we couldn't get the operators handled this time. Follow the crumbs from the first task and hunt any information related to the second operator of the group. So 60 GB of data owned by TryHackMe is now up for by bidding. Number of users is 645,000, something like that. So accepting all types of crypto for takers, send your bid on threads via this handle, hidden content, and you must register login to view this content. We have some guide for reconnaissance. Use related username or connections identified in earlier steps to expand reconnaissance, enumerate additional platforms for linked accounts and shared content, and follow media or resource reference across platforms to trace information flow. So, what is the username of the second operator taking or talking to this particular user from the previous platform? So, from the previous threads platform, the other user account talking to this user is this, right? So, then username is this. So what is the value of the flag? So here we have to find the value of the flag. Let's open the profile of this particular user. So this is it. So let us check for the replies. So this is the one that we decoded before, right? So yeah, no need to go for that again. Yeah, for sure. So these are some of the posts that he posted. So other than that, what are the informations we have? We can see the same user has an Instagram account. Let's click the Instagram. So in this case, we have to log in, I think. So there is a lot of posts. To view this post, we have to log in. Okay. So in this case, we can see flag is cooler is the comment, and we can see the replies. Let me close this. And in this case, it has 0 comments. In this case, it has 25 comments. So I got the flag hint. Check the description if you are find any sound. The flag is here. So yeah, we were able to get some base 64 encoded contents from this particular user. Let's try to decode that. So this is what it is written. I think according to this format, this doesn't seem to be the flag. So yep. Let's try with the next one. And again, this format doesn't, this answer format doesn't match this. Let's try if we have more. Yeah, we have one more, two more thing available. Again, hello guys. And I think all this also doesn't match with the format. You can just confirm that by pasting it here. Right, so it doesn't match the format. You have to check the format for getting the right answer. And finally, this is the last one. And this also doesn't seems to be the flag. So other than that, what are the informations that we have here? You can see the same user has been saying that been playing with the EGM for a while now. Check the extended prototype here. So we have the hint here. Let me open the website. We have to check the extended prototype. That is what this user is saying about. We have the prototype 1. Let me close this. This is the prototype 1. Let me stop this. And here is the user who do this. We have a lot of prototypes available. In these prototypes, there is some voice. Just not going to play that right now. Let's check the prototypes. We have the prototype 3 here. Also has a voice. Other than that, there is nothing in the prototype 3. Let's move back and try the other prototypes. We have the prototypes too here. And here it is, guys. We were able to get a encoded content in the prototype too, right? So yeah, let's decode it from here. Here it is. So this seems to be the flag. That's done. So now we are moving to the last task, the last operator. We have to find the operator. Yeah, a new post is up. Hunt the third operator using past discoveries and find any details related to the infrastructure used for the attack. For sale. Advanced automation script for phishing and initial access is for sale. So inclusions are Terraform scripts for a resilient phishing infrastructure, updated Google Fishlet, EvilGenix version 3.0, GoFish automation scripts, Google MFA bypass script, Google account enumerator, automated Google brute forcing scripts, Cobalt Strike aggressive scripts, Sendline, CrowdStrike, Cortex, XDR bypass payloads, price is this, and accepting all types of crypto. So this is what is written here in this. So our aim is for reconnaissance, right? So identify secondary accounts through visible interactions, likes, follows, collaborations. Extended reconnaissance into developer or technical platforms associated with the identity. We have to explore the developer or technical platforms for that. Analyze activity history, such as repositories or commits for embedded information. So we have to answer 3 questions here. The first question is about what is the handle of the third operator? Maybe they're asking for the third operator name. So what other platforms does this operator use? Third operator use, and you have to answer it this in lowercase. So in this case, we have a user here, right? So this is the user. And when searching for the followers of this user, we can see some of the followers. But one seems to be odd one or noticing is this one. So let's try that. And let's try to get an informations from the post. So nothing there, right? So what we can do according to those descriptions is to search for this, and here we can see we were able to get an information from this particular user from the GitHub repo, and it's about red team infra. So let me close this. Okay, we have what is the handle of third operator? Maybe they are asking for the name of the third operator. So in this case, it's him, right? So yeah, this seems to be the operator name. So what other platform does the operator use? When we searched for this operator, we were able to find he also using the GitHub platform, right? Yeah, this is the platform. Here is GitHub. So what is the value of the flag? We have to find the value of the flag. According to these hints, they are saying about updated Google Fishlet, Terraform scripts or something like that. Here you can see Terraform scripts was there. So they are talking about something like this. We have the history. These are some group Terraform scripts. But nothing suspicious here. So here we can see we have 9 commits here. So here we have some of the commits grouped Terraform scripts. This is the thing that we opened before, nothing to note. We have ongoing work with Python. Here you will be able to see some localhost running on port 3333, some information related to that. Created new GoFish script. Here you can see about GoFish and related information. And here added automation for user. And here also, guys, look at it. We have the shadow password, and the value seems to be some kind of encoded content, right? So yes, this is a kind of encoded content. Let's try to decode it using the base 64. Here it is, guys. We were able to get the flag. We have to find the encoded contents basically in this room. Yeah. You have to explore those things. Yes. And I hope this video is informative for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.